Today, I'll walk you through how to import a PDF document to a Power BI report, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly integrate your PDF files into Power BI so you can enhance your data visualization experience. Let's start by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Next, navigate to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find various options to work with your data. Click on Get Data. This is like opening a toolbox filled with different data sources you can use for your reports. Once you click Get Data, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select More. This will open a new window where you can find additional data connectors. In the search bar of this new window, type in PDF. This is the tool we need to import our document. After typing, click on the PDF option that appears. This step is crucial as it tells Power BI that we want to work with a PDF file. Now it's time to browse for your PDF file. Click on the Browse button, which will open a File Explorer window. Here you can navigate to the location where your PDF is saved. Select your PDF file and click Open. After selecting your file, you'll see a prompt to click Next at the lower right corner of the window. This step is essential as it prepares your PDF for loading into Power BI. Once you click Next, you will then click Load. This action will import your PDF document into Power BI. And there you have it. Your PDF file is now successfully imported into Power BI. You can now start analyzing and visualizing the data contained within that document. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.